everybody, welcome to my channel, and today I'm sharing with you guys Swagbucks. Sorry if you hear some weird noise in the background. It's either my son or my dishwasher that's got something weird in it, so it sounds like it's popping popcorn all the time. But I'm here to share with you guys Swagbucks. Now, I was pretty hesitant on this website. I've heard so many people use it, but I thought it was like kind of a scam, and then I had some, people explain it to me, and I've only been using it for a month. I don't use it a lot. I'm going to use it to like submit certain receipts, maybe answer a couple questions, and then mostly print off my coupons that I print off of coupons.com. Now, Swagbucks is just a thing where they want you to download them on their browser. I would not download it on your browser. They have it where it's easier. Yeah, you get a lot of points, but don't do it. They want to kind of control what you do or see what you do. So I wouldn't do that. I do have an app for it, so I get that, but they do email me all the time, and it gets super annoying with getting pop-ups on my phone, but I can't pass up getting free money. Now, I have started like a while back ago, so I don't have a lot of points. But what you guys can do to get points, or what they call Swagbucks, is answering questions. So you guys can answer surveys. They tell you really how long they take, and then you can earn random stuff, which is nice. I mean, it's a different company that they like take you to. There's also where if you guys like buy stuff, you guys get like a certain percentage cash back. I use Ebates top cash back, and then I also use Be Frugal, so I will not be going through Swagbucks to do this. But they also have stuff where if you guys buy certain products like the scrubbing bubbles, if you buy them, and it's mostly Walmart that sponsors these items. So if you buy these items, you buy 2, you get 300 Swagbucks. If you buy 3, you get 800 Swagbucks. I submitted one of my receipts and I got like 800 bucks, but I really do not have a lot of things. They also want you to go to certain websites, and then you guys can get points. They want you to watch a video, but half the time these videos are like 30 minutes long and you get like 2 Swagbucks. I don't really waste my time with that unless I just want to let it run, and then I'll just walk away. But then they also want you, like right here, 22 videos and you only get 3 Swagbucks. I think that's kind of dumb. Why would I want to waste my time watching 22 videos for 3 points? They also have it where if you guys download games, you get points, which I don't do. But the one thing that I truly like is printing my coupons from coupons.com on this site. So what you guys want to do right here is you just go to shop, and then what you guys want to do is go to stores and coupons. And then, and then you want to click on grocery coupons. And here they bring you guys to coupons.com. Now, I would print your coupons from this site. It's super easy. I mean, it's actually connected to your coupons.com app, and you can print them off twice. So right up here it says now you guys earn $1 Swagbuck point per printed coupons, plus an additional 10 Swagbuck points every time you redeem them. So what happens is you guys can end up getting up to 20 points or Swagbuck points a day if you print off 20 coupons. And then once you guys use those coupons, it could take up to 12 weeks, but then you guys will get $10 or 10 points worth of Swagbucks points from using those coupons. So I really like it. I mean, the majority of what I do is printing off coupons just to get my points. And so that what you guys do is you get your points, and then you guys can get gift cards. Now, you can do you can buy gift cards if you want, but I don't know how to redeem. Okay, redeem Swagbucks. So like right now I have 1,500 points. So I'm close to getting a $25 gift card for Amazon. I just need 2,200 points, okay? I can do PayPal, which I actually like because sorry, I get a lot of things from PayPal. I really enjoy PayPal. That's how I pay for like my coupon inserts and everything. So I think, $25 worth of PayPal cash is awesome. But they have other gift cards that you guys can get on here, like Target. You can also get a Visa digital gift card, but these are pretty much all e-gift cards. So definitely do that. I mean, why not get paid pretty much by printing coupons? So it works the same way And a lot of you guys say you really do that. And then there's other donations that you guys can get, or you can do donations. Plus you guys can also do magazine subscriptions, which is kind of nice too. So, I mean, like I said, I've only been doing this a month. I'm really not active on it, but I wanted to share with you guys some great deals. They have it where if you guys do, like, if you do a daily goal, you get 30 points plus an additional $3. I have never done the daily goal, but the daily goal is this down here. It's your to-do list. So they want you to do a daily poll, a daily crave, a daily search, a daily watch, a daily discover, attempt a gold survey, deal of the day, and complete a gold survey. I don't know. I don't have a lot of time to do a lot of this stuff, but if I wasn't working a lot, I'd say, hey, go for it. But I just really wanted to share with you guys Swagbucks. I do have a referral link below. If you guys click my referral link, you guys will end up getting 500 Swagbucks. So that's a start right there. I do have the link below in my video description. You just have to go down a little bit so you guys can get started already. But I just wanted to share with you guys on Swagbucks, and don't worry, I have a lot more videos to share with you guys. I just wanted to help you out with this because a lot of you guys are trying to look for new ideas. But again, you don't have to have the app. If you guys don't have enough room on your phone, which I totally understand, just go to your computer. You don't even have to save the browser. Just go to Swagbucks every single day. But down here on the bottom it says add the Swagbucks button, but I am not doing that. I don't trust it. So yes, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. I will be doing a video more about this as I get used to it. A lot of you guys probably are a little bit better at me, but some of you guys have no idea. But I wanted to share with you guys that. But please let me know if I miss anything that's awesome so you guys can let other people know about it. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.